Pinterest creators of my channel. Today we're drying tomatoes. And you may use your sun-dried tomatoes in a jar with an olive oil, like this one. Stay with me and I'll show you all the details. Do you have cherry tomatoes? If no, go ahead, get to your nearest supermarket to get them. Then join me in drying cherry tomatoes process. First of all, wash your tomatoes and cut them into half. After you have cut them into half, you can see this little part. You have to take it out. How to do it? Just cut a triangle and it will come out. See? So easy. There we go. And here is the way to have your clean tomatoes for drying. After you've taken out all the little green parts of your tomato halves, you can start arranging them on a plate. Sorry, I don't have my gloves, just because drying under the sun takes away all the bacteria and viruses, so don't worry. Okay, doc, now that we have already arranged, we are going to salt it. A little bit, don't put too much, because you want to taste the tomatoes, not the salt. That's enough for me. For you, I'm not sure. Just choose your own salt measurements. Well, you may use any type of rack. I chose my barbecue, my barbecue plate rack. So, I don't have a cheesecloth right now. I already used it. I'm using a paper towel to put my tomatoes on. And by the way, here I have a large pot. I'm using my folding step stool to put my pot on, and let's see what happens next. And voila, here we go. I have my arranged tomatoes, which are drying already for 3 to 4 hours, and now they are already becoming like chips because they stayed under the sun for about 8 hours. Yes, and you may collect these chips and save them for your dishes or your salads, or you may preserve them in olive oil, as I said before, in a jar. You may also add some herbs like oregano or basil, but I prefer saving them as is, like chips, separately in a dry jar. Make sure that they are totally dried. Don't pick them up when they have a little bit moisture left, because they may not stay as they are. They will get bad. So make sure you have your dried tomatoes, and if you want, you may use them for your pasta, for different types of dishes. And at Costco it's $10.89 for 1 jar. So you will save money. Please put your thumbs up in case you like this video and come back for more. And if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and click on that small notification button for my channel to grow and for you to have lots of gifts from me during my new giveaways. Bye bye!